Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. This is me Shathi and today I'm going to show you how I have created this burgundy cat eye look. But before jumping to the tutorial, please do subscribe to my channel and watch the full video. Completed my foundation and eyebrow off camera. Now applying eye primer by Makeup Studio. Using light shade from Kat Von D Shade and Light palette to set my primer. I'll be using You Can Be Pretty All Set eyeshadow palette for my eye look. To darken my lower waterline using Lakme Iconic Kajal. Going to create a fake inner corner, for that using Maybelline gel liner. Applied falsies off camera. Now highlighting inner corner. Time for some mascara. For concealer, I'm using Maybelline New York Instant Age Rewinder Eraser. Setting my face makeup with same Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. With a dark shade from Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, I'm warming up my face. For blush, I'm using Makeup Revolution Sugar and Spice palette. using champagne color from Sivanna bronzer palette to highlight my face. For lip, using Colourpop Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick and the shade is Jewel. To set the whole makeup using M.A.C Fix Plus. And here is the final look completed. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.